Hey friends, today we're going to be replacing the cup holders on this 1997 third generation 4Runner. My name is Scott, welcome to the garage. So replacing these cup holders is actually a fairly simple process. Again, we're going to show you how to do it on a third generation model 4Runner. And all you're basically going to need is your new cup holder assembly. Now this is a fairly lightweight plastic piece that we actually got used on eBay. I'll put a link in the description box below if I can find it on Amazon. Otherwise, you may have to do a little bit of research yourself. It's gonna run you roughly $20 to $30 if you do purchase it used on eBay. All right, so the tool that we are actually going to be using is a paint scraper. This is a paint scraper / putty knife. And basically, it's just a flat metal piece that we can wedge inside the cup holder to unseat the two clips that are holding it in. Now, here is the new cup holder. And as you can see, these are the two little clips that are kind of wedged up inside here, holding it in place using these grooves. So what we're going to do is we're going to get in to this old one with the paint scraper, and then we're going to push up, get a little leverage, and this is going to unseat the clips and allow us to move it down it just slightly and then pull it out. So here again is the old cup holder. You can see we had the spring kind of bust on us right here, the plastic area there. And again, I'm just going to be a little careful here. I'm going to wedge this paint scraper in. I'm going to push up just a touch, and as you can see, that unseats the cup holder and allows us to pull it completely out. There you go. There's a kind of, again, broken old one there. We'll put that off to the side. Here's our new one. And again, this is absolutely as simple as pushing it kind of right in. There's two little grooves right here on the sides that it slots into. And then once those sit just slightly in there, you can actually push it in. You'll hear that click. And there you go. Now we have a working cup holder again that goes all the way in, pops out. That'll drop down. And we are good to go. There you go, friends. I hope that helped. If it did, would you guys hit that thumbs up button? And if you need links to any of these tools, a new cup holder, if I can find them on Amazon, I'll put that in the description box below. And let us know if this has helped. We want to make more great videos, and we want to make sure we're helping you guys out. So hit that thumbs up button, subscribe. We got a bunch more 4Runner tutorials that are coming up soon. Thanks for watching.